Hi, I'm Michelle Donegan. I'm with Mobile Europe. I'm here at the Network Now event with Patrik Rokyta, who's Chief Technology Officer at Titan.ium platform. So let's start. When we think about how 2023 has been, are there any highlights that you'd like to share with us from Titan.ium platform?
Yeah, definitely. So splitting from NetNumber last year, Titan.ium worked on creating its new brand and making it recognizable across the industry. And then with a successful acquisition by Lumin, which has been helpful for us regarding best practices across all parts of our company, we continue delivering signaling, routing and security solutions for any generation of the mobile core. And we have also strengthened our capabilities in the delivery, deployment and operation of our cloud-native product portfolio. And as one of the results of the Deutsche Telekom Global Carrier and Titan.ium platform just recently publicly announced the commercial deployment of the Titan.ium's cloud-native platform and the security edge protection proxy that ensures faster, more reliable and more secure 5G standalone roaming services to users around the globe.
Great, fantastic, congratulations.
Thank you.
And so when we think about the transformation to cloud native and this journey that a lot of telcos are on, how is Titan.ium helping customers along that journey?
So the transformation to cloud native is an exciting journey that is happening at different speed across the industry and among the mobile network operators and their vendors. What is important, the transformation to cloud native is happening, and the paths that we have walked like 2 years ago are turning into roads and avenues, meaning we start seeing patterns in the deployment operation of the cloud native products that help us to identify technologies and processes that we can reuse across a wider range of projects. An example is the use of GitOps and continuous deployment, providing for efficient, fully automated rollouts. So after 4 years of cloud-native transformation, our cloud-native product portfolio not only comprises of 5G core network functions that are cloud-native by definition, but also of selected legacy products that have successfully undergone the transition to cloud-native. And at the same time, we continue to reliably support our customers that still utilize physical and virtualized infrastructure. So I am in regular talks with our customers to review the existing and the future technology landscape and to identify technologies that need to be introduced or phased out. So mastering the journey together is the key message here.
There is a talk in the industry already, of course, about 6G, when many 5G networks today still use a 4G core. What is your view on the transition to 5G standalone?
The introduction of 5G standalone networks is not happening at the predicted speed. That's true. That is for different reasons. In the end, the question is not whether the mobile network operators will transition to 5G standalone, but when and how. Today, the 5G market is dominated by 5G non-standalone deployments, delivering more and faster data. But to introduce 5G services beyond the enhance mobile broadband and fixed wireline access, and to compete in the continuously evolving landscape of the next generation networks, the mobile network operators will sooner or later transition their network and workforce to cloud native and the 5G standalone model. And with that, they become more responsive to the market demands and also more efficient in the operations, and also open new revenue streams, such as delivering 5G standalone services to verticals. And Titan.ium platform has its signaling, routing and security product portfolio ready to address both the existing and the future requirements of the telecommunication markets. And we are happy to see that the capabilities of cloud-native products, both from the functional and operational perspective, resonate across our customer base.
At this event, at Network Now, you're discussing the 5G security edge protection proxy for 5G standalone roaming, right? Why is this topic important and for operators?
5G standalone roaming makes the 5G standalone services continuously available to users and devices around the globe. Think, for example, of driving a car that is connected to a 5G network slice from country to country. And at the same time, the 5G standalone roaming provides for a significantly higher security than the legacy roaming services. And this is where the security edge protection proxy comes into play. So the security edge protection proxy effectively safeguards the IP interconnect communications against fraudulent network access and message content spoofing, and so encourages an increased usage of the 5G standalone services and the monetization of these services in roaming and interconnect scenarios. The challenge with mastering 5G security is that you need a significant security knowledge, capabilities and toolsets to identify and mitigate signaling threats. And therefore, and also at the same time, which is also important, the mobile network operators may not want to manage hundreds of IP roaming agreements that are out there themselves. So I want to show how the 5G security edge protection proxy can effectively help the mobile network operators manage the trade-offs between security operations and business concerns. For example, by hosting the security edge protection proxy with their trusted IP interconnect service provider. And I know that there has been, and still is, a lot of discussion how to best deliver 5G standalone roaming services. But as I mentioned, Deutsche Telekom Global Carrier and Titan.ium commercially deployed the Titan.ium 5G edge protection proxy, delivering more reliable and secure 5G standalone network interconnect. So despite all these ongoing discussions, there is also a way, and there is a way now.
Patrik, thank you very much.
My pleasure.